We're back and we're under quarantine. I also have some things from the new UOMA Beauty Carnival launch. So they have this really pretty highlight. It's like a body. It's called Notting Hill. I think it's a body highlight. You guys remember when we did a try on of the UOMA super pretty pigmented creamy lipsticks? So maybe we'll do like a neutral look today so that I can put on either of these. Last time I think I told you guys how I lost all my beauty blenders. Like they all vanished. I had like 5 of them. They all disappeared. So I have this new beauty sponge also by UOMA Beauty. It's kind of cool because like one end is like regular spongy and this other end is like a little more dense. So the Marley Twister bag. I want to try a new style, but obviously with the whole quarantine situation, we're gonna be twisted up for a minute. And then I just realized, I'm like, I can't go to the beauty supply store to like easily get more of this hair. If you want to see how I do that, I think I have a video on that. I will link it. If I don't, maybe I should record that for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna see how this sponge does. I think I've used it once before, but to be honest, y'all, I haven't worn makeup in like a hot minute. Like even like day to day, since I'm not going to work, I don't put anything on my face. So I can't really remember if I liked this sponge or not. So I'll let you guys know. I will say it does blend really nicely. And it's super bouncy. So, and I kind of like that I get like the double, oh, it already ripped, you guys. How have you guys been doing in quarantine? Or are you in quarantine where you are? I live in Brooklyn. I think it was just yesterday or the day before yesterday, the governor said like, if you are a non-essential business, you need to close and everyone should work from home if they can. So here we are. I feel like it really pushed it into my skin. There is a lot of makeup on here though, which kind of makes me wonder if it's absorbing a lot of the makeup, but I don't feel like I have any less coverage than I would any other, like with any other like type of sponge. So I'm gonna use Pat just because I haven't used her in a super long time, and Pat wasn't cheap, so we should get our money's worth out of her. I really like this concealer. If you guys picked up this concealer, let me know what you think of it. I love it for like any type of use, everyday use, full glam, like outer corner. When you blend out that outer corner first and then you go into the section here, you keep a lot of that coverage right where you want it, which is right there, instead of spreading it all over your face. And when you do come into this area right here, just lightly bounce it. You don't have to really drag it that much. Remember, don't just head in there with your setting powder. Make sure you blend out any creasing first. And then pat her down. I'm sorry, Rihanna. I love everything else about Fenty Beauty. Never fails. I love everything else about Fenty Beauty, but I do not like that setting powder. And I'm mad I've had it for so long that I can't return it. I was trying to force myself to like it for a long time. Oh, Laura, you just do me, girl. We're gonna do our brows. And brows done. I'm really just feeling this Marc Jacobs. This is called Fantasine. I'm gonna use 4 more. This is dark brown shade in here. These are super powdery though, so ooh, that's a lot of powder. That's a lot of fallout. So I'm scared of you. I'm just putting down this extra setting powder. This is not really to bake or anything. Oh, this is just to catch whatever fallout, because I feel like this brown is gonna have a lot. Take this lightly, or maybe not lightly, but just in our crease. Just want to blend her out. Just a nice brown. She's not really, she's a cool brown too. She's not like super warm or anything. I'm gonna use this shade from the Norvina palette. I'm gonna just build that up like in the outer V. I'm gonna use the same brush. This is a really pretty beige, not beige, burgundy shade. I'm just gonna build her up in this outer V, outer corner. All y'all talk about is Netflix and chill. Now it's time to Netflix and chill, and y'all don't want to chill. Chill. Okay. This is a really pretty color. I really like this. Norvina. So I'm kind of on the fence between like 1, 2, 3. She's super pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. She does have a bit of fallout, the sparkly one, but the sparkly ones always do, don't they? But she's a very pretty, very brown girl friendly. Thanks, Mark. I'll take her brush that we had before and just kind of blend around here. Remember I said I don't really want it to be a cut crease. So I did this part off camera. I just finished off my look with this shade from Pat McGrath. This is the Golden Opulence. I don't know the name of this color. They're not on the back, but it's the lightest shade in here. Strobing Fan from Sigma F42. What? You guys, this smells so divine. Ooh, she's pretty. She is a pretty girl. And y'all, you know, I can't tell you how much I hate seeing highlight right here. Up here, y'all. We'll do a little bit down our nose and then a little bit right here. It smells so good. And a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I know we're supposed to do a neutral eye look so that I can put these lipsticks on, but I'm gonna still put these lipsticks on. So we're gonna use our lightest shade first. This is called Trinidad. Ooh, Barbie pink. Ooh. Hi, my name's Niara and I'm a Barbie doll. She's cute. I wish I wore bright lipstick. Look at that highlight, it's me. So the next color is, I don't know how to say this one, B-A-H-I-A, Bahia? Don't know. But she's a pretty dark, she's glowing too, but she's a pretty dark burgundy shade. And her sparkles are more iridescent. It feels so good. Like, how do they do this to where it's like that looks like a gritty lipstick to me. That looks gritty. That looks like it's about to be honest, cut my lips up. It feels just like any other like creamy lipstick. Enough. Okay, so I just put on some gloss today. If you haven't subscribed yet and you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe because where you can, girl.